This year at the Irish Oaks, we're celebrating style in a whole new way. I'm delighted to be partnering with Tulfarris Hotel and Golf Resort to introduce Styled by Nature, a style experience inspired by the beauty of Wicklow's landscapes, lakes, gardens and natural surroundings. On July 18th at the Curragh, I'll be discovering racegoers whose style tells a story. So whether you're inspired by the colours of a Wicklow sunset, the beauty of the Blessington Lakes, wildflowers like myself, natural textures or a conscious approach to fashion, I'd love to hear what inspired your look. Styled by Nature is all about creativity, individuality and celebrating personal style in a fresh and contemporary way. I'm looking forward to seeing you all there.